assessing your respiratory system, and for me to be able to do that po, I will touch your body, specifically your back and your front, and I will be asking you to do deep breathing, inhaling and exhaling. So and I will be asking you to remove your shirt. So is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So before ta mag-start, ma'am, unsa man imong gusto nga gamiton na ako nga language, Tagalog, Bisaya or English?
Bisaya.
Okay. So before ta mag-start, ma'am, nasa ko ipangutana sa imong family history o sa imong core problem. Sa family history, ma'am, nabay nag-cancer sa inyo?
Wala.
Sa allergies, ma'am,
Wala.
nabay tuberculosis sa inyong family?
Wala.
Core problems, ma'am, naa ba kayo po karon?
Wala.
Okay, thank you. So, maura to, ma'am, and before ko mag-start sa procedure, I will be performing a hand hygiene in your privacy. So, first, ma'am, I will be palpating your trachea. Ma'am, dalisod baka ginawa, ma'am? Okay, thank you. Second, ma'am, I will be inspecting your posterior thorax, and for able to do that, ma'am, nakakipasod sa imo ang gown para ma-inspect na ako ang imong back. Is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Pagsaba, ma'am, ha, kung na kayo na-feel nga sakit, ma'am, ha?
Yes.
Can you exhale, inhale, ma'am? Again. Again. Okay, thank you. Next, ma'am, pag ma-feel mo akong kamot, may pag 1, 2, 3, ma'am, ha?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you. Bend your knee. Thank you. So next, ma'am, can you inhale and hold it po, kadali? Again, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So next, ma'am, I will be listening to your breath sounds. So inhale, exhale using your mouth open. So next, ma'am, I will be palpating your anterior thorax. So can you exhale, inhale deeply, ma'am? Next, ma'am, I will be kasi your anterior thorax. So next ma'am, I need you to inhale, exhale deeply through your mouth po ha. Thank you. So, everything we covered, ma'am, during sa assessment, during sa procedure, your spine is vertically aligned and straight. For your thorax, posterior and anterior, your skin is intact, uniform, no tenderness in muscles. And for your breath sounds are also normal, and your breathing is quiet and rhythmic. Basically, it's all normal. So, naman kayo mga pangutangan, ma'am?
Wala. Thank you.
Thank you.